We're talking now about a car crash in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us tonight, attorneys Corey Suda, who's getting comfortable being here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli. Always good to see you guys.
Love having him
here.
See you.
Yeah, he's doing it up on the set.
Yeah.
All right, we'll put him to the test one more time. Well, here's our question, and we're heading to DuPont and Bob. Bob says, I was involved in a car crash last year. I recently found out that the person who hit me died. Do I still have a case? Can Bob do anything or reclaim anything at this point?
So Bob, you do still have a case. However, it's become a little bit more complicated now. So the individual who hit you, if no estate has been opened up for them, then you are going to actually have to raise an estate, because you can only bring a case against somebody that's living or their estate. So the insurance that this individual had on their car at the time of the crash is still going to apply, but the only way that you're going to be able to bring a case is to either bring a case against the estate of this individual or open an estate on their behalf in order to actually, prosecute the case. So, yeah, it's become a little bit more involved.
Yeah, I mean, you still, Ed's absolutely right. You still have a case, but you have to determine if the estate was open, because you can't bring a claim against someone that is deceased. So go see a lawyer. They will help you determine if there's an estate open. If not, they can open one for you, and you can get this case moving.
Yeah, I mean, and then you have to, you got to have an administrator or administratrix appointed of the estate. The court will do that. You ultimately serve that individual, so that the lawsuit can proceed forward.
And you guys have a guy on staff now that does estate.
We do, yeah. So we've actually had to do this on a number of occasions. It's not all that, it's not all that uncommon, especially in cases where, the individual who is involved in the crash may die in the crash.
Sure.
And that individual may be responsible, and they may not have opened an estate. So we've done this before. Just takes a little bit more, more effort, but it can be done.
Reach out to the guys if you need help. Results matter. Attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.